Welcome, 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 a piece of work crew. Today we are doing Philly steak and cheese egg rolls with a side of fried rice. What you'll need is shaved steak, mushroom, onion, garlic, seasonings, egg roll wraps, rice, egg, teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, corn syrup, honey, and cornstarch, you guys. So I have started with slicing up the mushrooms. Then I'll go into slicing up the onions, dice and slice, you guys, small pieces. Then I will go in and smash up some garlic cloves, chop those up and add it to the bowl. Then once everything is chopped and all of that good stuff, I'll be adding everything to a pan to be sauteed. Everything goes in at once, you guys, the garlic, onions, and mushrooms. Add a little butter and saute it up until the onions are a little bit transparent. Let's begin to cook the Philly steak. So I have added EVOO to the pan. I have added the shaved steak and some garlic. I'm going to mix that up until everything is kind of cooked down. Then I'll be seasoning it with garlic and pepper. Once all of that is incorporated, I'll be adding thyme and rosemary. Let those seasonings and fumes go all into that steak. Once everything is incorporated, then I'll be adding the sauteed veggies to the pan and mix everything up. Then I'll remove everything and begin wrapping. Now I will begin to wrap. I have taken 2 of the egg roll wraps, placed them on top of each other. Then I added some provolone cheese. I add the mixture. Then I fold, pinch the corners in, fold again, and then I created a little glue, which is cornstarch and a little bit of water to seal everything so nothing unravels. Then I will be deep frying these bad babies 3 at a time, you guys. Do not overfill your pan or it will not cook right. These came out so perfect. Look at the golden brown. Look at it. Get into it. And she did. Now that the egg rolls are cooked, I'll be making my famous teriyaki sauce. I have added corn syrup to the pan. Then I have added honey. I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce and a little bit of teriyaki sauce. And I have created a little thickening agent, which is cornstarch and water. Mix all of that in. Let that come to a boil. Get nice and sticky. And you have your teriyaki sticky sauce. Let's begin the fried rice. Add some EVOO to the pan and crack your eggs. For the fried rice, I have added 2 cracked eggs to the pan and I have scrambled them. Then I'll be adding the rice to the pan with some teriyaki sauce and get everything incorporated. Do not forget to add EVOO to the pan as much as possible because you do not want dry rice, you guys. EVOO will save your life. plating, you guys. Who do I think I am with this plating? My plating skills have gotten so much better. I have used a measuring cup, don't judge me, for my rice to get it nice and stacked and even. And then I have added 3 egg rolls to the plate. I'll be adding my sweet teriyaki sauce to it, as well as my yum yum sauce, and I will be sprinkling that thing with some parsley for coloring. And you guys, I have made my first deep fried Philly steak and cheese egg rolls, you guys. I am so excited. If you are new, like, comment, subscribe, tell me who you are. If you are existing, I love you guys. Stay tuned for more videos. I appreciate you guys so much. I hope you like this meal. Please comment and let me know. And don't forget that subscribe button. Love you guys. We're out.